everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Food Tech Talks. In this video, we will be discussing most expected questions for Food Safety Officer Examination 2020. This is about me, myself Rushda Hussain, and you have any doubts or queries regarding our channel or our class, please do mail to us through the given mail ID. Coming to the first question, indicator used in testing of acidity of milk. Options are A. Methylene blue, B. Crystal violet, C. Phenolphthalein and D. Safranin. Answer is option C. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is the indicator used for testing acidity of the milk. By adding phenolphthalein, we will be titrating this milk against NaOH and we can find the acidity of the milk. Normally, acidity of the cow milk will be 0.13 to 0.16 percentage and pH of the cow milk will be 6.4 to 6.6. Second question, packaging material used for carbonated beverage. Options are A. LDPE, B. HDPE, C. PP and D is PET. Answer is option D. PET. PET means polyethylene terephthalate. So polyethylene terephthalate is the packaging material used for carbonated beverages. Third question, protein responsible for cooked flavor of milk. Options are A. Beta lactoglobulin, B. Alpha lactalbumin, C. casein and D is lactose. Answer is option A. Beta lactoglobulin. Normally, milk containing casein and whey protein. So, whey protein constitute beta lactoglobulin and alpha lactalbumin. Both together we will call as whey protein. And option D is lactose. Lactose is the carbohydrate or sugar present in the milk. Fourth question, page is on dash. Options are A. Electrophoresis technique, B. A gel type, C. Paper used in CG and option D is TLC. TLC means thin layer chromatography. Answer is page is a electrophoresis techniques. Option A. Page means polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. It is a technique used to separate protein and DNA molecule based on their movement through the gel. Fifth question, apple is dash fruit. Options are A. Drupe, B. Pome, C. Berry and D is fleshy. Answer is option B. Pome. Apple is a pome fruit. Pome fruit means fruit is having fleshy enlarged receptacles and tough central core containing seeds. Examples are apple, pear, etc. Drupe fruit means fruit is having thin skin and the central core containing seeds. Plum, cherry, almond, etc. are the examples. And berry fruit is a small pulpy edible fruit and example is strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, etc. Sixth question, Maillard reaction seen during. Options are A. Enzymatic proteolysis, B. Rancidity, C. Browning reaction and D is denaturation. Answer is option C. Browning reaction. Maillard reaction is a Browning reaction. It is a reaction between amino acids, peptides or proteins with reducing sugar such as glucose. And temperature should be more than 50 degrees Celsius and pH is 4 to 7. And the final products are melanoidins. It will give the brown color to the particular end product. Seventh question, which of the following used as preservatives in the bakery products? Options are A. Sorbate, B. Benzoate, C. Citrate and D is salt. Answer is option A. Sorbate. Sorbate is used as the preservatives in the bakery products and benzoate is used normally in the jam, jelly and fruit juices, those kind of products. We are using benzoate as the preservative agent. Eighth question, which of the following graph used in the sensory analysis? Options are A. Spider plot, B. Sensory plot, C. Diagonal plot and D is option A and C. Answer is option A, spider plot. Spider plot is the graph used in the sensory analysis. This helps to compare 2 or 3 attributes of a particular food. For example, if we are considering a food, we can take different attributes such as sweetness, sourness, and bitterness, and we can compare all those things in a single graph. That kind of graph we are calling a spider plot. Coming to the 9th question. Dash is used to determine TSS content. TSS means total soluble solid content. Options are A, manometer, B, rotameter, and C, salometer, and D is refractometer. Answer is option D, diffractometer. Diffractometer is used to determine total soluble solid content in a food. And in this option C is salometer. It is used to determine the percentage of or degree of saltness in the food. 11th question. Clarifying agent used in the fruit juice. Options are A, gelatin, B, lecithin, C, citric acid, and D is sodium benzoate. Answer is option A, gelatin. Gelatin is used as the clarifying agent in fruit juice.